Hello and welcome to another video. This is the Bilikay T03, yet another set of wireless earphones, and these ones got Bluetooth 5, they're sweatproof and promises a battery life of up to 5 hours. I'll do a battery test a bit later in the video. Here are the button functions. Now let's open the box and see what's inside. Well, everything is nicely packed and separated in here, so the earphones are protected against continuous charging during transport and storage. Let's just take this out and see what else is in here. This is the charging cable for the case, and it's a micro USB to USB-A, so sadly no USB-C this time. Some extra rubber buds and a user manual. We get 2 extra sets of buds in different sizes, and they have a sort of a tube shape. The charging case is made of plastic, and it looks nice enough in dark gray color. On the back is the micro USB connector for charging, and inside is a 450 mAh battery, which during my tests gave me a total of 22 hours including the earphones. So the case provides about 17.5 extra hours. The Bilikay T03 doesn't have a magnetic lid, so we have to pull it open. And to close it, we need to press the lid until it snaps into position. Inside we have the 2 slots for the earphones, and this button in the middle is used to check the remaining battery capacity of the case. A nice function to have, so we can see when we need to recharge the case. The quality seems good enough, and the lid feels quite sturdy. Double-clicking this button will turn the lights back off. They will also turn off automatically after a while. The earphones are a bit on the bulky side, but they are IPX4 sweatproof, so that's good. Supported Bluetooth protocols are A2DP, AVRCP, HFP, HSP, and the range is up to 10 meters. I tested them up to about 12 meters without losing connection, so it works just fine. It's got a slight drop shape around the side and fits nicely into the ears, but they will stick out a bit of the ear. On the back we have the charging connector, a side indicator, and of course the speaker. On the front we have a physical button, a light indicator, and the microphone. The microphone quality is good enough in quiet areas, but as many other earphones they struggle a bit if there is a lot of noise. Pulling off the rubber bud will reveal the metallic speaker grill. The rubber buds are pretty standard, but make sure you use the right size for your ears, so you'll get the best sound experience. They are easy to take off and on, so it's a quick process anyway. The buds also provide good passive noise cancelling, so it's important to choose the right size. If you place the earphones in the case, we can see the light indicating that they are charging, and the light will turn blue when they are fully charged. Charging from empty to full takes about 1.5 hours. During my tests, one charge lasted me about 4.5 hours with loud music, so the battery is quite good. We will of course also need to charge the case sometimes, and while it's connected, the lights will show us the charge process. The pairing process is the same as with other earphones. First take both earphones out of the case, so they can connect to each other, and look for T03 on the device. Click it, and we're done. Now you can see the battery status on the phone, and we're connected for calls and audio. Let's quickly see how fast they will reconnect after being disconnected. Just take them out of the case, and wait a bit. There we go, not bad at all. If you wish, you can also pair them in single mode and use only one if you want to. Controlling music is done by using the physical buttons. One click will play or pause. A long hold will start the assistant. 2 clicks on the right one will go to the next song. 2 clicks on the left one will also go to the next song. To go back or to the previous song, we must click 3 times. And it doesn't matter if you do it on the left or right earphone. This is nice if you like doing all the controls from one earphone, but it works on both of them, so you can choose which one to use, or use both of them. To control calls, we can press once to answer, press again to hang up, or to reject we can hold the button. The Bilikay T03 are comfortable to wear, but they do stick a little bit out from the ears. It doesn't really bother me, but it's good to know. They sit well in the ears and didn't fall out while I was wearing them, but I would pay a bit extra attention to them if using them while jogging. When it comes to sound quality, I like them. The sound is nice and clear, without any background noise. Highs are loud and good, and so are the mids. The bass is punchy and got a nice little rumble to it, but it doesn't have the lowest rumbles. So don't expect it to shake your ears off, but it's still quite good. Volume is also loud and goes louder than my ears can take, so nothing to complain about there. There's also no distortion at loud volumes. So overall, a good set of earphones with good battery and sound. That's it for my review. I hope you liked the video and remember to click the subscribe button and the notification bell. Have a nice day. Bye bye.